need to put our system loading with too much water. And all those people who advocate drinking a lot of water, you will invariably find them having a pot belly. And people who don't practice that way, their belly is not fat, it's slim and nice. That's a practically visible example.
Nice. Now coming to one specific condition, some, especially men, they suffer from frequent urination
Yes.
as they grow old, and it's one of the commonest of late we see. Almost 90% of the men suffer from this issue.
Yeah.
In such case, now as we are speaking about water drinking, how shall we correlate, and what should be the solution from your
All those people who keep urinating a lot, if you trace back their habits, they are drinking a lot of water. And that can be changed by adding the salt after cooking. And whenever they want to drink water, ask them to take a sip, hold the water in the mouth, and quench the thirst with few drops of water, and they will not have this problem at all. And added, so many other things are going along with it, because you asked this question, very important question. Kidney work is shared by the skin. And if you don't have exercise, lot of exercise, you don't perspire. And if you don't perspire, you are putting all the load on the kidney. And if you perspire, half the load of the kidney is taken away. And some people, they have, men particularly, they have an organ called prostate. And this prostate is between the urinary tract and the colon. And it's its own wish whether to push the colon or the urinary tract. It's not a wish, it's a condition which enhances its moving towards the kidney or towards the urinary tract or towards the colon. When it settles down in near the colon, urine is too much. When it settles down this side, bowel movements is free. If there is pressure in the bowel and it is pressing the urinary tract, because of the pressure in the bowel, gas pressure or even fecal matter pressure, then scanty urine is experienced. People are not able to urinate frequently. They have pain in the bladder. They have formed the urine, but it's not coming out. All kinds of problems come to them. So the prostate problem can be solved by eliminating constipation. By giving them some toners, the colon tract is cleared up and there is no more gas there, no more pressure on the prostate, and your urinary tract is also good, colon is also good. Prostate health is re-established.
Yeah, a different perspective, beautiful, but fine. Now, anyway, whether we like or not, the incidence of chronic renal failure is more of late,
Yeah.
and public they become a victim, I would say, for the conventional therapies, as we said, dialysis
Yeah.
and other stuff. Now, can we have a transition from from the conventional therapies to nature cure, or if so, what procedure they should adopt for?
Very, very important question for people to hear. If you have gone to dialysis, don't come to nature cure. If you have not done dialysis, try only nature cure. We can help you. Because that's a big, big difference. Once you've gone to dialysis, don't disturb those patients. Not for your safety, but for their own safety also. Because the prescription given by allopaths is that no potassium, excess sodium. In nature cure, it's totally opposite. Plenty of potassium and no sodium. And the results are excellent. If they have not done dialysis, comfortably you can take such cases and they are treated back to normalcy within few weeks. That's not one or two cases, hundreds of cases have proved that one.
Okay. Like as we have been speaking about this end stage of diseases like chronic renal failure, we have come across the same people suffering from skin issues also.
Yes.
Like at one end they are advised to go for dialysis, but people are in a dilemma whether to go or not. But more than the elimination through the kidneys, now they face some problem with the skin, most predominantly itching. Now how do we address this, and how can we take them back to these naturopathy therapies?
Very good question, because it's both kidney and skin work hand in hand like brothers. In summer, the perspiration takes more predominance and gives some rest to the kidneys. And in winter, the kidneys overwork and the skin gets to rest. So this adjustment, they know how to do it, but we don't know, and we end up in lot of problems. Particularly when a person's skin health is very bad, it goes on getting worse, and it gets eczema patches, and if you continue with medication, it becomes psoriasis. Psoriasis is like an elder brother to eczema. And during psoriasis, what happens is thick patches form in the skin, and they become like a permanent feature of that person. There was a person who had psoriasis and was in a dark room for 16 years. Torture. And after midnight, he tries to take some air and walk out for a short distance. Within the short distance, if somebody looks at him, says like that, when by just looking at him, it's horrible. Head to foot, thick patches of psoriasis and cut places, and where